Let us imagine this. Every clinical research that is happening today is globalized. So, right from the cancer research study that's happening to the vaccine development, thousands and thousands of data are getting accumulated. These are all called as the raw data sets. Does raw data set alone can save life? No. But clean data can. And this is exactly where your clinical data management roles are also dominating. Let us exactly understand the 10 most dominating or powerful careers in clinical data management relevant in the clinical research world today. Okay, the journey usually starts from the clinical data coordinators, where the role where the professionals first understand how the clinical data set originates or gets transformed or flowed from the sites to the databases. Then comes your clinical data associates, there where their responsibilities play as a backbone of the data cleaning. Then comes your clinical data management or data managers, that role where the responsibility usually begins. As studies are becoming more and more complex and globalized, today companies also look into senior clinical data managers or management, wherein professionals are expected to handle global multi-center trials and sponsor interactions. Now comes one of the most growing technical roles, the EDC study builder. What is this? These are the experts designing the clinical databases, where they are transforming the protocols into structured digital systems. Then closely connected is your clinical database programmers, who build logical edit checks, hard checks, soft checks, where they are automatically detecting the inconsistencies before they become a risk. With increasing regulatory focus, the demand for the data standard specialist is also rising, where they are ensuring that the data sets the EDC is creating is CDISC aligned. CDISC standards for regulatory submission readiness is followed, right? And then comes our clinical data quality analyst, the role driven by metrics, analysis, and risk-based data reviews, one of the future-proof profiles in CDM. At the leadership level, we have the project data leads, where they are coordinating across data management, data coordinators, biostatisticians, and clinical operations. Finally, we have something called as clinical data management consultant, a strategic expert. It's an expert's role that supports the system implementation as well as process optimization across the organizations. So clinical data management today is no longer just a data entry. It is going to be a data intelligence, data automation, and global collaborating role.